Hi, I'm Baino Raisha Ibrahim Diplomo. So I'm the founder of Elobotica Robotics and Automation Solutions here in the Philippines. We develop robotics kits. Kami po mismo yung nag-develop for the academe. We have the medical robots and the AI robot. Actually, this is the first time that I received na free. I'm very lucky na makasama dito po sa circle ng Go Negosyo. Pagdating po sa technologies, isa po kami sa mga nagde-develop po, like the robotics, the AI. Meron po ako i-share sa inyo, the SPAC word, S, the skills. Kung meron po tayong skills, we'll convert it into money. Yun yung capital po natin. P, passion. Talagang kailangan natin yung nandoon yung love. The last word is C, compassion. Kailangan po as a business owner ay nandoon yung malasakit sa empleyado, sa ating mga clients, yung quality of service. Sa ating founder ng Go Negosyo, ako po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat to have this award. Actually, this is unexpected po talaga. Sana po ay patuloy po natin i-recognize yung mga entrepreneurs natin na talagang sumisikap magkaroon ng successful business.